Yeah, you know we got to get some fresh dead shrimp from the Clear Lake bait. I don't know how far we're gonna get it, but we got that south wind coming at us right now. Super windy. I'm gonna try to get it out there though. Still got it out there. Nice. We're gonna fish shrimp right in front of these drains right here. Let's see if they want to bite. Finally got a fish, and it is freaking cat. Had to change the setup. Super windy. I'm on something. Ooh, I'm on something, bro. Ooh, we're on one, bro. We're on one. Ooh, on one, bro. On a big catfish. Big old catfish. Looks like a catfish. Oh, croaker. We got a croaker. Cool. Wow, that's cool. We got a croaker. She didn't even know. I got another fish. Didn't even know it. Oh, another one. That's a big one. Whoa, he was just sitting there. That's cool. That's crazy. These are big gaff tops. But these will fry though. These will fry. Got two of these big boys. He was barely hooked. Look at that. He was just hanging on for his life. Hey, we ain't skunking on a windy day. Even if it's a gap top. Say hello to the subscribers. Hey, these are pretty good size too. Look at that. How big are these? It's definitely about 18. Super windy. All right. Hey, we didn't skunk. I don't care what y'all say about gaff top. I got Got my new Temu bag, Temu fishing watch and bracelet. My Temu glasses. I lost those. Look at that, Polarized glasses from Temu.